What's up guys, Akim Sterling here. Now in this video we're going to look at these original clocks. This is the bank rubber version, as you can see in this box right here. Just gonna unbox it so you guys basically see what's inside. So this is basically the clocks right here, looking pretty neat. As you can see, original logo inside right there. So official symbol right there, and also you can see there's some stuffing in right here. Come with this pair of extra lace. So I'm just gonna pull it out so that you guys see. As you can see guys, this is basically labeled that inside right here. This is the size 8. You can see the label right here, basically made in Vietnam. You can see right there, which is looking pretty neat. I love how it basically design, guys. This is the next foot right here. This is a block. Basically I love how neat this is. So guys, I'm gonna try it on right now to show you guys how neat this fit right here. And it's really neat, so you guys can see. Fit perfect, very neat, looking perfect guys. You can see right there, looking very neat and perfect.